Hello, welcome back to the pRESPECT channel. I wanted to talk to you about barriers to work. So if you've come through our website, we've got some downloadable booklets that you can use. And one of the things that we discuss in our workshop is the barriers to work. Understanding your barriers means that we are able to support you in terms of breaking through them and in terms of, what are you struggling with? How do we signpost you to any other support that you might need? So use the booklets to work through. So we look at your personal barriers. What are you personally doing to hold yourself back? And we also look at the external barriers. What are you facing outside that is holding you back? When you put that down on paper, we're able to create action plans in terms of how to tackle it, and then you voice it as well. So it's not something that you're holding in. So as we're working through your confidence, as we're working through your interview techniques, there's nothing in there that's holding you back. So putting it down on paper, you can share that with me or you can keep it to yourself, but share it. Let's share it. It's confidential, and then we work with you with that. So use the downloadable booklet, which I will put into the description box as well. Send you the link, and you can also find it on our website. If we want to discuss more about barriers to work, we're going to come back into this information. So what I just wanted to let you know is that we have a booklet that you can use to work on your barriers, and then you can also, if you are accessing the workshops in Glasgow and Edinburgh, bring that with you and we will work with you on it. So understanding your barriers, knowing yourself, is the best way for getting into your next plan. All right, so we look forward to seeing you again. Download your booklets, let us know how you're getting on, share your comments down below, and see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.